Hello everyone, welcome back. While creating a new Gmail ID and on phone verification, it says this phone number has been used too many times. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue on Android and iOS devices. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch Google. Then tap on your profile icon of your email ID. Then tap on your email ID and tap on add account to device. The verification required. Here, you have to put your email or phone number, but we are going to create a new one, so that's why I tap on create account for myself or as you like. Here you have to put any name. Tap next. Here you're going to select. Next, select the gender. Here you have to put your email ID that you like. After selecting the email ID, tap next. Choose any of them. Next. Choose password. Now tap next. Tap skip and tap next. Agree. That's it. You have a new email ID without phone number verification. Hopefully friends you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.